Hello! Today, let's talk about the properties of solution. Ching, for at the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the observable properties of solutions. In our previous lesson, you have learned about mixtures and their characteristics. You have done activities where you mix solid and liquid or combine two different liquids. And in the process of mixing, you have observed that the mixtures either form a homogeneous or a heterogeneous mixtures. You have seen that when all the parts of the mixture have a uniform appearance, it is called a homogeneous mixture. And when different parts of the mixture can be identified, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Example of heterogeneous mixture is ice cube placed in a glass of soft drink. There are different phases that can be identified in this example. The solid phase, which is the ice cube, and the liquid phase, which is the soft drink. When all the ice cube melts, only one phase is visible, and that is liquid. It now becomes a homogeneous mixture. And an example of homogeneous mixture is a solution. But what is a solution? Let's find out together. Most of us have a morning habit of drinking coffee first thing in the morning to keep us alive. We simply mix hot water, powdered coffee, and sugar together. By doing so, we have already made a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture that is made up of two or more substances with a uniform composition throughout. And here are some common examples of solution. In order to produce this, two substances are being used. The solute, which is a component that is being dissolved, present in lesser amount, and a solvent, which is a component that dissolves the other component or the solute, which is present in greater amount. To understand more about this, let's try this simple experiment. Mix a spoon of sugar to the water and stir it until the sugar completely dissolves. In this case, the water is the solvent, which is the component that dissolves the solute. And sugar is the solute, which is a component that is being dissolved. And the result is called as a sugar solution. Did you know that water is called as the universal solvent? Water is considered to be the universal solvent because there are many substances that can be dissolved in water. And here are some examples of solutions in our everyday life. We have vinegar, soft drink, mouthwash, silver jewelry, disinfectant, lemonade. This time, why don't you try to do this activity at home? We are going to identify the solute and solvent in each solution listed in the table. And for activity number 2, list down the substances below will produce a solution when added with water. Use a separate sheet for your answer. So how do you define our activity? Now to summarize what we have discussed, and for your assessment, hope you have learned and enjoyed the lesson. Stay safe and see you next time.